Viral gastroenteritis. Introduction. Which of the following groups is at risk for dehydration caused by gastroenteritis? Choose one of the following options. 1. Infants. 2. People with weak immune systems. 3. Young children. 4. All of the above. Correct. These people, as well as older adults, have a greater risk for dehydration. They may require special attention if they get an illness like gastroenteritis. You should drink plenty of fluids to prevent dehydration and ease symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Drink plenty of liquids to replace fluids and electrolytes. Fluids include fruit juices, sports drinks, caffeine-free soft drinks, and broths. Is diarrhea in a child dangerous? Select yes or no. Correct. A child can die from dehydration within a day. That is why it is important to contact a healthcare provider immediately if infants and small children have diarrhea. Regular hand washing can prevent gastroenteritis. Select true or false. Correct. Gastroenteritis can be prevented by practicing good hygiene. Thank you for using Explain.